In this video, I will show you how to send silent message on Telegram. First of all, open the Telegram application. Make sure that your Telegram application is updated to its latest version and there are no pending updates so you can access all of its new features. On the home screen, you will see the list of all your recent chats, groups and channels where you can send messages. Select the one in which you want to send the silent message. In the message input field located at the bottom of the screen, tap and start typing your message. It can be any text, emojis, or anything else. When you are done writing it, do not directly tap on the send button. Instead, long press on the send button and a few more options will appear. Here you will see the option to send without sound. This is the option used specifically for sending silent messages. To confirm, simply tap the send without sound option and your message will be sent instantly as a silent message. The recipient will receive the message but their phone will not make any sound or vibrate, ensuring it doesn't disturb them. And this is how you can send silent message on Telegram.